back to Value Education class. Children, in last session we have completed Unit 1 prayer. Yes, and I have sent PDF notes also. So you have to note down in your textbook. Don't keep incomplete. Yes, complete on time. Now let us move towards Unit 2, that is a good lesson. So children, in this story you are going to learn we cannot make a person fool again and again. Yes, so let us see through this story. A good lesson. All of you keep finger and read along with me. Long, long ago there lived a merchant. So long ago means in olden days their merchant lived. Yes, he used to deal in salt. So his business, merchant means businessman. Yes. So he sells salt. Yes, who? Merchant. His business was to sell salt. He had a donkey to carry load. So in olden days there were no vehicles and all. So people used to carry their load on donkeys. So this merchant have a donkey. He had a donkey to carry a load. He used to sell his salt loaded on the donkey. So whatever the salt he used to take, he would take to sell the salt. So that all salt will be carried by the donkey on his back. Yes, he used to sell his salt loaded on the donkey. So whatever salt he used to take to sell, so he load on the donkey, back of the donkey. So donkey carried all the loaded salt on his back. He had to cross a stream to go to the other village to sell the salt. So he has to other village, he has to cross the stream. Stream means water. Yes. Once his donkey fell into the stream, because of which much of salt was dissolved in water. So as he has to go other village, so to go to that village he has to cross the stream. So what happened one day? Donkey fell into the water, into the stream. Yes, because of which much of the salt was dissolved in water. So if you put salt in the water, what happened? It will dissolve. So here too much salt. So when the donkey fell into the river, the salt dissolved in the water. Much of the salt was wasted. Yes. The donkey easily crossed the stream. The donkey easily crossed the stream because as soon as he fell into the water, the salt also dissolved in the water. Only little bit salt left. So the load of the donkey was less. So he crossed the stream easily. Who? Donkey. So the donkey easily crossed the stream because of the light weight of the salt on his back, because much of the salt fell, dissolved into the water. So little bit salt left on the donkey's back. So because of this, the donkey weight become less. So he can cross the stream easily. Yes. The donkey was very happy. So the donkey was very happy because its load became less. On his next trip, he knowingly fell into the stream. Again, this trip over. Again, next trip. Again, the merchant has to go to the other village to sell the salt. So again, he loaded the salt on donkey's back. So the donkey has to cross the stream. So knowingly the donkey fell into the stream because he knows that if he fell into the water, the loaded salt weight become less, because as soon as it fell into the water, the salt dissolved in water. Because of that, its load become less. So he knowingly fell into the stream. Who? Donkey. Yes. Now the merchant was shocked. First time also the donkey fell into the stream. This time also the donkey fell into the stream. What is happening? The merchant was surprised. Yes. On the next trip, again the donkey played the same trick. See, the donkey is very tricky. So again the next trip, again the third time, the donkey knowingly fell into the stream. So the merchant was sure that the donkey was playing some trick. Then the merchant came to know that the donkey is playing trick with him. With whom? With merchant. Yes, children. So the donkey making fool again. To whom? To merchant. So the donkey making fool to the merchant. Because when the donkey fell into the water, the weight of the salt become less, so that easily the donkey can cross the stream. Yes, because the remaining salt which fell into the water, it get dissolved. Yes, he made a plan to catch the donkey. Who? Now merchant. So the merchant played a game to catch the donkey, whether he is playing trick with me or what, thought merchant, and he played a game with donkey. Yes. Next day he loaded the donkey with a lot of cotton. Next day he has to sell cotton to the other village. So what the merchant did? He packed, instead of salt, lot of cotton loaded on the back of the donkey. The donkey again repeated the same trick. Again, as the stream came, the donkey fell into the stream, fell into the water. He fell into the stream. This time his load became very heavy. When the cotton become wet, it will become heavy. Yes, because cotton, when it is dry, it looks very light. When you dip in the water, it will become heavy. You try it. Put the cotton in the water and remove. And you see, after some time it become little heavy. So here, as soon as the donkey fell into the stream, this time his load become very heavy because it is a cotton. The donkey carried the heavy load. It was very tiring for him to move on. So the donkey, what did? The donkey carried the heavy load, and it is getting very heavy for him to cross the stream. So it gets tiring him. So the donkey become tired. Yes, to move on. The donkey carried the heavy load. It was very tiring for him to move on. So the donkey carried the heavy load on its back, and it was very tiring. The donkey becoming tired to cross the stream. Yes. The donkey now realized his mistake. So now the donkey realized his mistake, that he is cheating with his master. Yes, so he is playing a trick with his master. He is making fool to his master. So the donkey now realized his mistake. He stopped falling down into the stream anymore. Then from next time he stopped falling into the stream. Yes, because he realized its mistake. He understood that you can fool a person sometime but not every time. So the donkey realized his mistake, and he understood that we cannot make fool again and again to the person. Yes. So he understood that you can fool a person sometime, not all the time, but not every time. The merchant had taught a good lesson to the donkey. So the merchant had taught a good lesson to the donkey. So the moral of this story is, children, you can fool a person a few times, once or twice, but not always. Hope you have listened the story of the wolf. So the boy again and again he made fool to the people of the village by saying fool, fool, fool. When once really the wolf comes, then no one come to save him. So we should not make fool again and again. Yes, so nobody will believe on you if you make fool again and again. So all will tell you, what is this boy, he always makes us fool. So when it happens really, So that time no one will come to save you, protect you. So children, never fool anyone. Yes. So this is the moral of this story, a good lesson. I hope you all understood clearly. So children, read it once and try to understand. So till that time, thank you. Goodbye.